Hi there, welcome to my garden. Today we're going to show you how I installed a chain rail on the sides of my bridge that I had built to go over my artificial creek for draining issues. I built this several months ago and I believe I have it on another video, so you can watch that to show you how I installed it and how I built it. But these are the rope stakes from Garden Supply, and they are 34 inches tall. And they call them rope stakes, but I did not use rope because rope tends to rot in Mississippi. So I used chain, and the chain came from Lowe's. It comes in 10 feet long, already cut in the package. As you can see, I used 6 on each side. And they just press right directly into the ground. If your ground is really hard, you'll have to hammer them in. We had just had a few inches of rain, so mine pushed right in. Besides, on the very end, I had to hammer it in. But I put the chain through the holes on top of the rope stakes, and I connected them on each end using the S-binders I got from Lowe's. But that was really easy, and I was glad I found those. These chain rails are definitely not for support. They are for looks only because they're kind of wobbly. But I think it turned out really pretty. And I did them on, like I said, they came in a set of 6. So I did 6 on each side. And you'll see that. As you can see, I have not installed the rocks yet for my artificial creek. We have to have that delivered and installed. So right now we just have down landscape fabric with some, and it's held in place by some stones that I already had that's connected to the other rock garden I have. You can't really see it right now, but I'll show you after we install this. But it's really up to you what you decide and how to decorate your walkover bridge. But I hope this video has given you some ideas that you can use. But I appreciate you watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. Have a good day.